Let's talk about how to fix Forza Horizon the error of exhausted graphics. Driver Timeout in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But don't despair, we've all been there, and today we're diving deep into the fixes for this persistent issue. Get ready to reclaim your Horizon Festival experience as we explore proven solutions to banish error exhausted for good and get you back on the road.
The very first step, and often the most crucial, is to ensure your graphics drivers are fully up-to-date. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a primary culprit behind many graphics-related errors, including the exhausted. Timeout, head over to your manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or Intel, and download the latest stable drivers specifically designed for your graphics card. A fresh, updated driver can often resolve these Timeout issues by improving stability and performance. If updating didn't do the trick, sometimes the newest driver isn't always the most stable for your specific system or game version. In such cases, consider rolling back to an older and known stable driver version. Alternatively, performing the clean installation of your graphics driver or completely removing all previous files before installing the new one can eliminate a lingering corruption that might be causing the Timeout error. This ensures a fresh start for your software. Forza Horizon is a visually stunning game, but sometimes your graphics settings might be pushing your too hard, leading to a driver Timeout tray, reducing some of the more demanding graphical options like shadow quality, anti-aliasing, or texture resolution in the game settings menu. Also, experimenting with the scene core capping your frame rate can significantly alleviate stress on your graphics card, making the game much more stable and preventing the dreaded error from appearing. Believe it or not, other applications running in the background can sometimes interfere with your game and trigger graphics driver Timeout overlays from Discord, GeForce Experience, Xbox Game Bar, or even antivirus software can conflict with Forza Horizon. Try disabling all non-essential background applications and overlays before launching the game. This minimizes potential conflicts and ensures that your system's resources are fully dedicated to running Forza, hopefully eliminating the Timeout error.